Pero kailan siya ka namita ay pwede ka mo.
Kanino ball? Same ball. According to our rep, RJ Hendrick.
Pwede ka mo.
Pass to Mr. Go ahead, pass. Fake. Good ball. Basket by number 12. Three points of the vacuum. Dulute. Kasi 4-1. Basket number 77. Assist by number 13. Last 1 minute before we change with substitutions. 5:57. Last 1 minute. Time out by Team Joy. Called by Tito Douglas Babayan with breakfast by Dolphin.
Sab na ito. Kalotol, pwede na magsaba.
Warin na ka mo time out.
Bula lagap ni Ramon. Lagap bula kayo. Pinto sa bala.
Double sa kota ano leading scorer na yun.
14 to shoot, pre.
14 to shoot. Team Joy. Team Joy ball. Douglas Solet with 13 points leading the charge for Team Joy. Inbound by Kuya Mahid. Oh, open shot by number 5. Rebound by Kuya Ruben. Basket. Number 1 with the ball. Pass to Kuya Christian. Good a jump shot. Isa Mahid with the ball, surveying the court. Pass to number 12. Jump shot.
10 to shoot.
Pass to Jerez. Jump shot. Didn't even touch the rim. Shoot by number 12. No call. Pass to Jerez. Screen by Ruben. Floater. No good. Rebound again by number 3. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Ruben. No good. Go ahead. Basket by number 12. What a pass by number 1. Kuya Mahid with the ball. Surveying the court. Poking the ball. Pass to Jerez. Pass to Mahid. 10 to shoot. Yeah. Basket by Ruben. Assist by Kuya Mahid.
Maray na.
Number 1 with the basket. With the ball. Yeah.
Overnight Douglas.
Triple, number 12. Raise the rim. Basket. Ball. Team Joy ball.
Last 4 minutes.
Last 4 minutes. 38 to 32. Team Joy leading by 7. Lead na by 6. Surveying the score. Surveying the mid-range. Basket. 40-32. Number 4 with the basket. 4.
Shoutout tanay. Shoutout.
Yeah, let's go!
Let's go, Silver. Everyone, go by Area. Rebound by Area.
Tira na ito.
Step back, no good. Hit of shield. Basket.
Tapala niyo, tapala para niyo ang utro. Tapala ito. Wala ko pumalipin sa tapala ng dito.
Talking trash. Kuya Douglas in the bench. Charles Zasilo. Two-handed. Basket.
Ayan na.
Ako na pa sab.
Bay na sab. Isikuan kayo. Unong lang kami.
Last 3 minutes. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Rebound by Jerez. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Jerez again.
Good.
Good. Good boy. Remind surveying the court. Pass to Ruben. Basket. What a quick shot.
Nakapul pa.
Rebound. Steal by Jerez. Oh. Good ball. Same ball. Team Joy.
Sam.
Substitution now. Kay Football.
Second ba no?
Second quarter, 2 minutes.
Kaya nagpasab nga. Anik kanina. Yan ang second quarter. Kaya kung sumulat.
Pumupo ka muna. Pinakamaingay sa GC according to Meta AI. Peter Douglas, babawi. 13 seconds to shoot. Shot clock. Pass to the Ruben. Pass to the middle. Seal by number 1. 1 on 3. Oh. Charles Zasilo with the air ball. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 5. Basket. Assist by number 1.
Yo, let's go! Ito na feeling.
Feelings.
Babawi yan! Babawi!
Another good pass by Guillemard, but no wood. Same ball, Team Joy. Jump shot, basket by Jerez. Shot by rebound by Ria. Oh, I like the idea. 1 minute, 20 seconds remaining.
Ano, ikap kami sa isabat.
Sige, par mo mo sandali.
May na ba kayo time out nila ng second quarter? Wala na.
May na pa.
Oh, may na lang time out.
Last na last.
Rebound by Ria. Missed shot by number 1. Ria with the ball. Pass to number 15. No basket. Rebound by number 7. Oh, intercepted. Steal by Jerez. Jump shot. No good. Off to Mahid. Time out. Team Joy. Time out. Go back to your benches. Kuya Ruben Bilote with 16 points, leading Team Joy, and Kuya Douglas at second with 13 points. Babaw yan talaga. 53 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Team Lock.
May saksak.
Nice joy, nice joy, nice joy, nice!
Ano?
Go! Go!
Batugan?
Ha?
Ano ito? Gagi ko nga din naman yung kunti. Para di makamakan. Six na pa niya? 20 seconds!
Go!
20 seconds remaining.
Hindi na feelings.
20 seconds! 20 seconds!
20 seconds remaining. 17 seconds. Number 12 with the ball.
10.
10 seconds remaining. Irene with the ball. 8, 7, 6, 5. Block by Dacinho.
3.
Pass.
2.
1, 0.
Uy, auto!
Oh. Nice shot. Anak score. 46 to 40. Team Joy leading by 6 points. Huh? Three quarter na. Second half. We now approach the second half. Kuya Mahid, ba't ang seryoso mo ngayon? Ayaw mo bang matalo for the fourth time?
Nanalo kami ngayon at si Brooke ang MVP.
Hey, floating with fun. 30 points. 13 points.
Wala na magkasakom.
Kasi Kuya Juan, 18. 18. Kuya Robin with 18 points. Kuya Douglas with 13 points. Yan, abadang yun may pero. Hindi na mag-points. Ikaw na itong bibay. Ano masasabi mo na?
Let's do it together, teamwork guys. Let's go! Let's go!
Babaw yan! According to Meta, what a speech by Team Douglas. Team Douglas, Team Joy. Kuya Christian, coach, team leader, let's go ng Team Love. Ano masasabi na doon?
Let's go!
Any words for Tito Douglas, Babat?
Waray bita, waray daog.
Ang rebat nila ay ang score nila. Very honest, very truthful. We now approach the second half of this basketball game. Sa kwan lang, balin na court. Balin na court. Kanino bola? Balin na court, balin na. Change court, change court, change court. Mr. Ref, kanino bola?
Love kanina. Joy lewat. Cara.
Third quarter pala, third quarter.
Third quarter eh. Yelo.
Ito na. Madadagdagan na yung 13 points ni Tito Douglas.
Change skirt na, di ba?
Team Joy ball.
Ano yung pamahaw? Wala pang natunaw.
Tito Douglas with breakfast galing girlfriend. Amo daw may 13 points. Pass the ball, Little Knight. Surveying the court, drive, pass. Jerez with a jump shot. No good. Rebound, made. 2 points by Kuya Mahid. 40 to 48. Oh, hawak shot. Ano tawag ito? Last shot. Tapik ang bola. Inbound by Sean. Pass to Dasilio. Top of the key. 3 points. No good. No hit na win. Kuya Mahid surveying the court. with the drive. Torino with the ball, jump shot, 3 points, no good. Rebound! Rebound to Basilio. Substitution. Oh, with the tongue! With the tongue, 2 points. Rubber ball. Moray. Torino with the ball. Good ball. 14 second shot clock. Douglas with the ball. Basket. Sabi niya, let's go. Warning na yung dapat. Basilio with the ball. Jump shot. No foul. Torino with the rebound. Dribble. Full court defense by Charles. Shot clock, 12 seconds. Oh, what's the call? Oh, team red ball. Not the miscommunication by Aurelio Mind. The feelings are starting to emerge. Who will prevail? The ball is so far away. 50-42, leading by 8. Number 4 with the ball. Surveying the third, pass to number 1, long 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Long pass by Janus. Screen by Mind. What to action? Shot. Basket. What a play by the Cabinans.
Reserve timeout.
Oh. Pass to the Mind. 3 on 4. At round 3. With the Mind with the ball. Pass to Douglas. Jump shots. Anemic shot. Jump shot by Jerez. Basket.
Dead ball dapat, di ba? Good. Time out, team love, pero dead ball dapat, di ba?
Dere pa. Dapat dead ball. Hindi na time out. Dapat dead ball. Out of bounds. Foul. Pass out. Ball. To number 4. Pass to number 1. Another 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Steal by number 1. What good eyes by Kuya Elton. Time out. Good ball. Time out, Team Love. 1 remaining time out for Team Love. Look at this trash talk. T for trash talk. T for Tito. To 44, Team J leads the game. Seven minutes and 14 seconds remaining. Gatso, malambong ka. Kailangan ito warm up. Hindi kami nag-officiate. Hindi kami table. Oh, nagagulat ka na tamtin. Hindi kami nag...
Ihingalong ka
Oh.
niya. Ako pula. Sleeping.
Team try ball. Out of bounds by number 1. Oh, Team Love. Turnover. Last touch by number 1. Inbound.